G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to go through passport controls at arrivals after a long-haul flight at any international airport in Australia. E-passports from any country can be processed through the SmartGates. Here are the steps to use SmartGates when arriving at any international airport in Australia. Step 1. After disembarking, head straight to the SmartGate kiosk area. After locating the kiosk, place your passport face down in the reader with a photo page facing up. Ensure it is fully inserted. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions and answer any questions. Remove any face coverings like masks, hats, or sunglasses. Step 4. If successful, the kiosk will print a ticket. Keep this ticket along with your incoming passenger card. Now you take your ticket and move to the smart gates, avoiding the long queues of passengers at the passport control who did not use the SmartGate service. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.